Replacing drawer boxes is an easy upgrade to add to your kitchen cabinet refacing project. At New Cabinet Doors, we manufacture dovetail drawer boxes made from 5/8 of an inch thick birch plywood and equip them with soft close undermount slides from Bloom. The smooth, quiet motion of your new drawer boxes will make your kitchen feel like new. The Bloom soft close undermount slides that we supply consist of two parts: the locking device mounts to the underside of the drawer box at the front edge, and the slide mechanism, which will mount to the inside of your cabinets. Mount the locking device using number 6 screws 5/8 of an inch long, and be sure to use the angled screw holes that direct the screws into the face of the drawer box. The drawer box has a notch and hole on the back that the slide will fit into. Each drawer box will have a left and right slide that will fit flush to the corresponding side of the drawer box. The front of the slide will click into the locking device, letting you know that the slide and locking device are properly locked together. Pressing the orange tabs will allow you to easily release the locking device from the slides once the drawers are installed in your cabinet. The slides mount to the inside of your drawer box and need to be separated from the drawer box for installation. On these frameless cabinets, the slide can be mounted 5/8 of an inch from the front of your cabinet. Be sure to check that your drawer slide is level, as your cabinets may have shifted over time. Using number 7 screws 5/8 of an inch long, attach the slides to the inside of your cabinet. Ensure the slides are level. Slide the drawer box onto the slides and listen for the click that lets you know the slides are connected to the locking device. Your drawers should now slide freely, fully extending from the cabinet and soft closing when pushed back in. Measure and install the next drawer box using the same process and continue to work your way up the drawer cabinet from bottom to top. Kitchen cabinet refacing is not only about replacing outdated doors and drawer fronts. Replacing broken or worn-out drawer boxes is a great way to increase the functionality of your kitchen while also adding value to your home. To keep up to date on our how-to kitchen cabinet refacing content, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.